Gabuat behind the back dribble, attacking the defense. Spins, pull up jumper of the window. He passed to Feitaren. Feitaren at the middle, he launched on 3. Bang! And it's Gabuat, he's on her. To the middle, he lays back and for 2. From way downtown, no good. Rebound put back Arellano. Nandito tayo ngayon sa do or die semifinals ng Ilocos Sur Intertown para sa laban ng Santa Maria at Candon. It's a jump ball. It's between Tucson and Cobanco. First ball possession for Team Candon. Lace won't go. The follow-up shot. And it won't go. And it's Domingo. The long pass. Umatake fires. Short. Still the rebound by Domingo. Kicks out. Cazorte for 3. Short. Rebound number 18. Rebound no good. Put back shot. Tucson. First break. Taren dribble the ball. He passed to the middle. Holds the ball. Pass to Feitaren, pinilit. Oh no, look, pass on the inside. What a connection. That's for setting the play. Pass to Domingo. Domingo launch on 3. Bam! Here's Lopez. He crossed the mid lane. He pass to Feitaren. Feitaren is stopped to the corner. Fires at 3. Bam! Here's Gabuat. He stopped at the logo. He passed to Cazontes at 3. Domingo. Now 4-point lead for Team Santa Maria. Here's Feitaren. Dribbling the ball, he spins, he drives, he kicks out. Lopez wide open for 3. Bang! 3. And here's Gabuat using the screen. Pass to Domingo, open for 3. He launched. Battle for the rebound. Rebound Tucson. Back it for 2. With the ball, he passed to Feitaren. Feitaren between the legs. He crossover. He passed to Lopez again for 3. Off the mark. And here's Gabuat, he's on Harry, he drives to the middle, he lays back and for 2. Ball. And here's Lopez, 3-on-2 laban. He fires. Oh, won't go. Rebound Galsote. Long pass. Here's Domingo, he stopped. Bounce pass to the corner. Ang gandang 3-point on. Feitaren sumisinyas. He stopped. Pass on the inside. He kicks out. Lopez, dumistansya. He pass to Feitaren. Feitaren at the middle, he launched on 3. Bang! And down to 5 points for Team Santa Maria. Feitaren, pinasa kay Ben Lopez for 3. Short, rebound and a put back. And here's number 16, Gabuat. Antolin, posting up, he spins. Pinilit, tatlong gumardya, block. Inbound for Team Santa Maria for the inbound. Gabuat, Galsote for 3. Bang! It's an inbound for Lopez. He fast to Feitaren. Feitaren, he stop, long 3 from way downtown, no good. Rebound put back Arellano. And it's number 16, Antolin with the open 3. Bang! Galsote. Pass to Antolin. Antolin dribbling the ball. Bounce pass to the corner. Natapikan, recover. He kicks out. Antolin. Di Discarte. Drives. Kicks out. Gabuat for 3. Bang! 2 seconds on the game clock. He tries at 3. Long way. For Team Santa Maria. Bounce pass. Bumalik si number 10. Wala pa rin. Problema po. For the second chance. And here's number 20. Tucson. Open for long 2. Bucket. And stops to the middle. Pass number 22, Tucson lays. No good. Rebound Candon. And it's number 15. He spins sa kalusot. Gandang pasa. Koy strong, yun lang. Napapalakpak na lang. And wide open, Tucson. Easy basket. And here's number 22, Tucson. Pass on the inside. The perfect connection. And it's Feitaren. Pass to Delorsa. Natapikan. He's stolen. And here you go. Gabuat Supalpal. The backdoor inbound for Team Santa Maria. Looking for receiver. Corner Domingo. Pass to the middle. Loses the ball. And recover the ball. Baseball pass. Perfecto. He fires. Short. Rebound para sa nagdive para sa bola. Yun lang. Feitaren. He pass to Lopez. Pass to the middle. Feitaren. Feitar between the legs. Pass to the corner. He fakes. Crossover. Drives. Side step. Floater. Bakit? Yeah. Here's Gabuat. Gabuat. Behind the back dribble. Attacking the defense. Pinasa sa corner. Spins. Pull up. Jumper of the window. Lopez. At tuloy-tuloy ng pagtaas ng Kalamangan. Crossover. Drives. Nakalusot. Pass inside. Ball deflected. Recover. Here's Feitar and his spin. Fires. Short. Rebound. Baseball pass. Ang layo. Saktong pasa. Sakto yung tera. Lopez. And 18-point lead for Team Santa Maria. Pass to the middle. Lopez. And his side step. Floater shot. And a bucket. Domingo. And wide open. Galsonte for 3. Baro. No good. Ah! That good. Here's Gabuat. Gabuat to Galsote. Galsote posting up. And he spins, fading away. Bucket. And here's Del Rosa. Pass to the corner. 5 seconds to shoot. On the game clock pass. Kaldag. Tira off the glass. Too strong. And rebound. Sumigway. Sumisigsag. Natapikan. Domingo. Domingo all alone. Easy bucket. Bound. Looking for the receiver. Bounce pass. De Los Santos with the floater of the window. Domingo. Domingo crossover. Attacks. He spins. He kicks out. And here's Gabuat. No look pass on the inside. Fires off the glass. No good. Rebound put back off the window. And here's number 29 for the inbound. Feitar inside the step. Alley-oop pass and a good finish. And here's number 16. Gabuat kicks out for 3. Domingo off the target. Here's Antolin. Pass another 3. Wala pa rin. Put back shot. The rip. Lopez is on hurry. 3 on 2 ang laban. Stops. Pinilit pa rin. Wala. Antolin, alley-oop pass, the love pass, and a good finish again. And Feitaren, number 15 to the corner. Lopez. Lopez to the middle. Lopez for 3. Bang! This time. Galsote, natapikan, nakuha ng naop. Number 18. Oh, ang pinakamababang pasa. Wala. And won't go. And rebound, Candon. And Lopez, he stops. He pass to Feitaren. 1 bounce and a fire of the window, Manny. And 18-point lead, natapikan, Galsote. He stops, libre. Wala, in and out. Here's Feitaren. Feitaren, 3 on 3 ang laban. Pinasa, kicks out, wide open for 3. Bang! Another 3. And natapikan. Oops, na recover. Binit-bit lay. So bakit? Antolin. And here's Lopez for 3 again. In and out. And here's Gabuat. Side step. Pass on the inside. Galsote. Libre ang gandang pa. Feitaren to the middle. Number 29. Lopez. Cross pass to Feitaren. For 3. Shot too short. Gabuat. Gabuat crossover. Side step pasa sa loob. Bucket. And here's oops. Sa corner. 3. No good. Rebound. Put back shot. Yes sir. And here's Gabuat. Gabuat to the corner. Pinasa sa gitna. Galsote. Libre na namasa. Here's Lopez, libre. Easy, Cobanco. And back to 19-point lead for Team Santa Maria. Galsote with the drive. He pulls up, no good. Rebound, Candon. 3 on 1. Bounce pass, Liz. Bucket, easy 2. Domingo holding the ball, he dribbled the ball. Goes to the middle. Pass to Gabuat. Gabuat to Domingo. Pass to Galsote for 3. Short. Feitaren, straight to the hoops, and one. Baseball pass. And here you go, number 7, baseball pass, wide open, Domingo. Bang! Dribble. Feitaren. Crossover, Feitaren. Side scroll, spin move. May foul. And here's Domingo. Galzote. Pass to number 22. Open for 3. Launch. Bang! Lopez. He stops. Long 3. Bang! From Feitaren. Feitaren is 3. Bang! 3 po. And he's natapikan. Stolen. Lopez is no look pass inside. Number 15 fakes. Fires. Pocket. Oh, tapikan na naman. Inside pass. Fakes. Fires. My foul. And here you go for the rebound. Mapupunta pa rin sa Santa Maria. To the middle. Open for 3. Galzote. Short. Rebound. Double slide. Bucket. Ayun. Fourth quarter action. Here's Lopez to Feitaren. Feitaren stop for 3. Another 3. Bucket. For team Santa Maria. Galzote. Pass to Gabuat. Gabuat drives, natapikan. And na-recover, natapikan. Baseball pass, tatlo versus laban sa isa. Oop! Recover, Red Drives de Los Santos, easy 2. 7, kuha ngayon ni Feitaren. Long pass, 3-on-1. Straight to the hoops. Oy! Here's Feitaren, crossover. Pass to the corner, open for 2. Bucket de Los Santos. And here's number 7. Attacks to the rim, Lace, bucket! Domingo. Yes, Gabuat. Gabuat nakalusot, na lost the ball, baseball pass, nauna na, De Los Santos, oops! Nadulas. Antolin, spins, picks, bounce pass, fading away, bucket! De La Rosa, Feitaren. Pass on the inside, ang gandang pasa. 7-point lead. And here's, oops, Galzote, bumangga, fade away, wala. And a rebound, the long pass, nauna na naman. De Los Santos, easy 2, bumawi. And a 5-point lead. Number 7, bumangga, loses the ball. Oop, natapikan. In De La Rosa, sa gitna, loses the ball. Natapikan. And bumangga, fires, so strong, tapikan. Antolin, De La Rosa. Cobanco. Spins. Oops. Dive for the ball, natapikan. Sa corner, fakes, si drives, fires, De Los Santos, no good. And 3-on-1 ang laban. Pinasa, Lace, easy 2. What a Baren. Pass to Lopez, drives, floater, short, and Reves for the rebound. Feitaren, crossover move, nakalusot, Feitaren off the window, humani. It's Galzote. Galzote for 3. Short. Battle for the rebound. Candon. Here's Lopez. Lopez, he pass. Feitaren. Crossover. Nakalusot list. And 1. On the free throw. Feitaren off the glass. Natapikan. Feitaren. Libre. Oh! Back to. And here you go. Natapikan. Stolen. Oh! Pinasa pa. Lopez. Sumigway. Feitaren goes inside. Na-lost the ball. Nakalusot. Antolin. Natapikan. Recover. Pass. Gabo out of the glass. Wala. Long pass. And here's number 16 Gabuat. Eksakto pa na recover. Attacks. Bumangga. Create space. Nakuha ni Domingo. Kicks out. Galzote. Sa tres. No good. Long pass. Here's Paytaren. Paytaren. Nakalusot. Close the ball. Huli. Backdoor rebound again. Reverse na up. Bucket! And here you go. Domingo to the corner. Antolin. He's setting the play. Stops. Pass to Galzote. To Antolin. Dinlit lays. Bucket. Antolin. Here's Lopez. Lopez. And Lopez. Floater. Bucket. 3-point. Here's again. Behind the back. No good. Bounce pass. There you go. And here's Lopez. Lopez behind the back. For three. Shot! And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Santa Maria.